Hello students, our next topic is priority interrupt. So let us first discuss about what is meant by an interrupt. Interrupt is a signal or a condition by which the execution of the program which is currently being executed by the CPU is to be stopped and CPU come back to the interrupt to service it. Okay, this is nothing but an interrupt. So, the data transfer between the CPU and an IO device is initiated by the CPU. Whatever the data CPU require from the IO devices, so that is initiated by the CPU, and whatever the data CPU has to send back after execution of the program, the result is to be sent back to the IO devices. That also is to be initiated by the CPU. Okay. Now, in a typical application, a number of IO devices are attached to the computer. Okay, so we are having number of applications, so many advanced applications for the computer. In such kind of applications, so many number of IO devices can be attached to the computer. Each device is being able to originate an interrupt request. Okay, now the question arises, CPU has to decide which interrupt is to be serviced first. So whenever number of interrupt requests are coming from the number of IO devices at a time, then CPU has to service the interrupt first, which IO device interrupts is to be serviced first. Okay, so that would be decided by the priority interrupt system. Now, what is meant by priority interrupt? So, a priority interrupt is a system that establishes a priority over the various sources to determine which condition is to be serviced first when two or more requests arrive simultaneously. So, the priority interrupt is a system that determines which condition is to be, which interrupt is to be serviced first when two or more requests arrive at a time. Okay, so establishing a priority of simultaneous interrupts can be done by software or hardware. So this priority system can be developed in the form of software or hardware. So the software means is nothing but a polling procedure. There is a procedure which is called polling, so which is used to identify the highest source by software means. So in this method there is a common branch address for all interrupts. So how many number of interrupts are coming from the number of devices, those all interrupts are having a common branch address. All are stored at the common branch address. So all would be given a poll, nothing but counter. So the program polls the interrupt sources in sequence one by one. That would give the tokens to the each and every interrupts. Okay, so in this poll procedure, the highest priority source is tested first, and if its interrupt signal is on, so in this token procedure, so all would be given a token. So the token which is having the highest priority interrupt, that is serviced first. Okay, so if it is having the interrupt, if it doesn't have any interrupt, then the next lower priority source is tested, and so on. This is what our polling procedure. Okay, so the hardware priority function can be established either by serial or a parallel communication of interrupt lines. Okay, the hardware connection of interrupt lines. Okay, here in this hardware procedure, all the IO devices are connected according to their priority levels.